From the devices we use every day to the most advanced medical, industrial, and transportation technologies, microelectronics are the invisible engine behind innovation. At ESCATEC, we've established ourselves as industry leaders in microelectronics assembly with decades of proven experience. This enables us to offer development services around MOEMS technologies, which lead to solutions that are small, fast, light, and cost-effective. From high-density SMT to chip-on-board, wire bonding, die attach, and active alignment, precision defines everything we do. Our Swiss-based team work within ISO 7 contamination control cleanrooms to deliver assemblies that meet the strictest purity and reliability standards. Many factors must be accounted for when designing an optimized and functioning MOEMS device, the most important one being a stable production process. Our chip-on-board process includes die bonding, wire bonding, and advanced encapsulation techniques, supporting all major wire bond technologies with rapid tool changeovers. Quality is built into every step, from incoming materials to final inspection. Every device meets our commitment to reliability and repeatability. Partnering with ESCATEC for microelectronic assembly means faster time to market, cost-effective scalability, and a seamless transition from prototype to production.